Hi guys, I just want to show you my single foldable mattress. Very convenient, can be stored in a cupboard, easy to assemble, and it's really good for those people that a friend or a relative that want to come over unexpectedly, or on a late moment's notice, and maybe you've got a couch but someone's already sleeping on it, or the couch is not suitable to sleep on, and you don't have a spare bedroom with a spare bed. So this is good. You can assemble it anywhere in any corner of the room. It's only a single bed, so you don't need that much space. Like, we have a king bed here, and there's a single space there if you want, and you can have it for kids as well, so easy to assemble. I have this little Oki strap here just for support. Easy to fold, so I usually pull out the legs first, like so, and then I just open it up. Beautiful. And you can lay it flat if you want, like that. You can even have it like a day bed outside near the pool if you want. But good for camping as well. You can put it in the car, fits in the car like a bag, and you got those little handles for support to pull it up. Probably won't recommend a super tall person, maybe like more than 6'4", but anywhere below that, they should be pretty comfortable. Or if they're comfortable just having their feet over the bed, that's fine. I'm 5'8". I fit comfortably on it. I had a friend that's 6'2", fits on it. Just add a pillow, you're all good. And then you can put it in the drawer there. That's where it lives. But what we're gonna do is gonna put it back together by lifting both sides up, like so, and then fold each side like that. And I put the Oki strap just for support, so it keeps it tight together, like that. That's what I do. You don't have to do that, and it just stands freely like that and be slid away. So go for an unexpected guest, kids, or going camping, or even a poolside bed if you want. 100% worth it.